I'm here today on Porthcawl Seafront with Councillor Hugh David, Chair of the Cardiff Capital Region Transport Authority. Why is the electric vehicle charge point project so important to Cardiff Capital Region?
In just a few years' time, there'll be a complete ban on the sale of all petrol and diesel vehicles. So we will have to have a comprehensive network of electric vehicle charging points across the Cardiff Capital Region in all our communities.
Why did you choose Connected Kerb?
Connected Kerb is a British firm with an excellent track record. They've provided a turnkey solution. They've worked very closely in partnership with us, but also because of the affordable, accessible technology. And that's so important if we're to encourage more people to make that choice.
It's all about accessibility. I'm in a wheelchair, so it's got to be accessible, and availability. Many of the Connected Kerb chargers are accessible. The bays are wider, so they're really convenient for wheelchair users.
What else do you think could be done to encourage EV uptake?
The range of electric vehicles is growing by the day. The cost of electric vehicles is coming down. There will soon be an electric vehicle charging point in every community in the Cardiff Capital Region. And because of the fantastic partnership we have with Welsh Government, with Connected Kerb, to make accessible, affordable electric vehicle charging a reality for all our communities.